Data entered into a cell is divided into two main categories: constants or formulas. A constant amount is typed directly into the cell and does not change. As an illustration, a text, a number, or a date are constants. A formula, in turn, can consist of values, references to other cells, mathematical operators, and functions. A text is a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols that are not identified by Excel as another category of data. When text is typed, it is automatically aligned to the left side of the cell. Regardless of the cell's width, if the text you type is larger than its width, it will invade the cell to the right. Entering numbers into a cell is just as simple, but it offers a number of options for formatting the number. Excel considers the data entered as a number if it contains digits from 0 to 9 alone. Excel allows for wide variation in the date and time input and display format. Within, it stores dates and times as numbers and therefore allows you to perform calculations on that data. This software has an extremely helpful feature for people in need to type a sequence of cells of sequential content. This feature, called autofill, analyzes the content of one or more selected cells and copies them into target cells. Depending on the content of the analyzed cells, Excel makes a literal copy of the numbers or adds an amount to the next cells. Whatever type of data is put into a cell, the software has an identical way to edit it. Excel can edit both in the formula bar and in the cell itself. If you want to change the contents of a cell, place the selector over it and double-click the left mouse button. If you would rather use the keyboard, press F2. These options allow editing directly in the cell. If you want to edit the cell contents via Formula tab, place the selector on the intended cell and click on the Formula tab.